Welcome to the Kitchen Hospital, your gateway to the world of healing with food and herbs. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of superfoods that go beyond just a snack. We're talking about the superheroes that can actually repair your entire body system. Buckle up because this is going to be a game changer. First up on our superfood journey is the ultimate green warrior, spinach. Packed with iron, vitamins, and antioxidants, spinach is the repairman your body's been waiting for. It helps boost your immune system, supports bone health, and even aids in muscle recovery. Popeye was onto something. Now, let's talk about the tiny but mighty berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these little powerhouses are loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress. They're like a repair kit for your cells, keeping your entire system in top-notch condition. Quinoa, the versatile grain that's not just trendy but a true superfood. Packed with protein, fiber, and a plethora of vitamins and minerals, quinoa supports digestive health, boosts metabolism, and provides sustained energy, a true repairman for your body's engine. Now, let's talk about nature's own multivitamin, nuts and seeds. From almonds to chia seeds, they're loaded with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients that repair your heart, support brain function, and give your skin that healthy glow. And for the grand finale, we have the omega-3 powerhouse, salmon. This fatty fish is like a superhero for your cardiovascular system. It supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and even promotes better sleep. Talk about a holistic repair. Here you have it, the superfoods that are not just snacks but actual repair tools for your entire body system. Who knew eating healthy could be so exciting? Share this video with your fellow health enthusiasts, and let's spread the goodness together. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more superfood secrets and wellness wonders right here at the Kitchen Hospital.